Sometimes we assume that just because we're not asking people to give us their money, that something is free. But actually, time is a form of currency as well. So, in the video, I'm going to talk about how to sell or promote your freebies, your free calls, your free discovery calls, so that people actually want to book, not just assuming that because they're free, people automatically just want it. So, quite often when we're a service business, the first initial step to get potential clients into your world is to offer them a free discovery call or a virtual chat. And it's a really great way to build rapport, to find out all those questions that your clients are asking and really kind of get to know them before they commit. However, just because it's free does not mean that people are automatically going to want it and it's a deal. What you have to do is sell your free stuff as well. So just like if you had a free ebook or a free checklist or any sort of lead magnet that you're giving away to people for free with value to it, you would always talk about that value. You would always talk about what's included. You would talk about the benefits. You have to do the same with your free calls. It's not enough just to say, here's a free call, here's free 60 minutes. Actually, you want to tell people what they're going to learn in the call, what value is the call to them, why should they book. So there's 3 tips I'm going to give you to help sell your free discovery calls. The first one is that just because it's longer does not mean that that's going to equate to more value in the eyes of your potential client. So is 60 minutes too long for them to commit to? Really think about your client. Are they time poor? Or have they got more time than money? In maybe they're starting in their business and therefore a longer call is better. Or are they more established in their business where they are time poor and they want to have a call quickly? So maybe 60 minutes, maybe 45 minutes is too long. Consider 20 minutes, consider 30 minutes. It's an option to test out. The next is that, as I said before, you have to talk about the value you're going to provide. You have to talk about what will they know after the call that they don't know now. Um, if you're not talking about the benefits and the outcomes of the call, they don't have a reason to book. And the last tip I'm going to share with you is that you need to make it obvious that the call is not a sales call where you're just going to talk at them, talk about your offer, sell, sell, sell the whole time. It might be obvious to you that that is not the way you run your business, but it might not be obvious to your potential client. So make sure you're talking about how it's a chance for them to find out, to ask questions, to find out if this offer is right for them. So make the call more about them than it is you. And finally, as a bonus tip, I would suggest dedicating a whole section on your homepage, on your sales page, even a whole web page, as I've got on my website, about your free discovery call. If that is potentially a lead magnet to get people in, it's your freebie in a way, you have to be selling it better. So create a whole section on the benefits, why they should book, and you'll find conversions for those calls drastically increase.